I have a fever and a headache, and this has lasted for 5 days now, and everything hurts. So Jerry's is trying to do some Kiribati massage to make the headache go away. Ibuprofen has not done much, and a lot of other people in the village are also sick with the same flu-like headache something systems. I hope I get better in time to go to Bonneville though.
I'm gonna what? On a moi nun. You have to drink some nun juice. Kiribati juice. For the like the bad throat, fever, cold.
So this is a nun, and to make nun juice, they take a nun that is really ripe and put it in a container until the juices run out. Some people boil it, and some people just let the juices run off naturally. This is nun juice. Yogis well, så si. Jeg tror ikke noe over det.
Ja da.
Aku baru sadar ah.
Nun juice.
This is local medicine. But, as they say, a spoonful of sugar helps the most go down, right? Oh, they taste terrible. Alright. 3 times a day, 2 tablespoons. Combined with massage and ibuprofen. Hopefully this fever will go away.
Ay,